What up, YouTube? This is your president, the Presidential Tourist, back with another. I'm not sure I can fully say this is like an unboxing video since I kind of took it out already and looked at it, but also reviews. I'm going to show you how well it works. But I got one of those horsepower duck little tiny vacuums. Mom wanted one. I unfortunately didn't think to film it before I peeked inside and took it out of the wrap. But I pretty much basically put it back in. This is generally how it came. So I guess I could say this is an unboxing as well, because it pretty much looked just like this for the most part. But I'm going to show it to you and do a little example, see how well it works. I'm sure it's going to work okay. But Mom's been wanting me to buy her one of these for a while since she's seen the commercial. But like I said, this is the it's good for auto, kitchen, pet hair. It comes with a hose, a crevice tool with crevice tool brush. It's supposed to have powerful suction and compact design, rechargeable, fits in small places, crevices, and has a storage bag. And you find more products like this at www.bulbhead.com. I bought this at Amazon. I will put the link below if you want to go there and buy one. Okay, it's supposed to be it has 2000 mAh batteries, HEPA filter, crevice tool brush, hose with 2 adapters, charging cable, storage bag, instruction manual. Now, let's see, I bet you it does not have, oh, it says, congratulations, you just hatched a new era of cleaning with the horsepower duck. Shoot, my battery's running low, so I gotta be quick. Here it is. Alright. Let's show it to you, and I bet you'll have a little bit of a charge to it. And it does. Usually these things, they come, that's supposed to be, that's rechargeable, usually comes with a bit of a charge. Here's the hose. The brush. I'm going to make this quick. Another attachment. A charging cable, but does not have, you can hook this up to the computer and stuff to charge it. But I'll probably get one that I could hook up to the wall outlet. Empty bag. Here's about the 3-piece HEPA filter refill pack where you order it. And I think I've seen these on Amazon too. This gives basically the instructions, but it's really simple how to hook this together. It's just like an average vacuum in a lot of ways. You mentioned about the accessories, how to charge, but that's all really very simple stuff. Alright, let's get a little bit of dirt. I'm going to put a little bit on this table and vacuum it up. Let's see. Alright. Okay, I put a little bit of dirt on the table to show you how well this sucks it up. So here it goes. Yeah, and you see it blowing around in there. So it does suck it up really well. Okay, I think Mom will be very happy with this. And and you just gotta basically unscrew this, I believe, and then you can just dump the dirt out. And then, yeah, okay. Yeah, but she's been wanting a little thing like that to use on little messes in the kitchen and stuff like that. But yeah, it sucked it up pretty well, most of it. So yeah, I think she's gonna like this. But I just want to do a quick little review. Here's more of the stuff. If you have any comments, questions below, let me know. I will put a link below where I bought this on Amazon. Check it out. And yeah, I guess any comments, questions, let me know. But this is seems to work very well for what it's intended. For just little messes, obviously, nothing big. But yeah. All right. Thanks for watching. Bye, everybody. Bye.